Very quick update video. What is happening here with Bitcoin? Let us watch here on the 4-hourly, and we see right now the whales are. I don't know how even to tell it. It's like atomic bomb of shit here. What whales doing? I cannot speak loud because I'm sitting here in Gucci right now. So guys, very careful here right now, please, because yes, we closed right now a very bullish 1-hourly candle, not a very but a bullish 1-hourly candle here. But be very careful. Why? I tell you exactly what is my opinion. Because you have to. Why you have to be very careful? Because on one hand, yes, we have here a W created, right? A W and technical price target of this W is, wait a minute, I measure it. So a pessimistic one, I think we even already nearly reached it. The pessimistic one would be around 30,100, right? This was also my price target. We nearly reached it at 30,900, and an optimistic one would be, wait a minute. And the optimistic one would be around 31,100. Be very careful, guys, right now here. Why? Also, I want to show you on the 15 minutes. We have here one thing is we have here huge bearish divergence, right? You see here the RSI is going up. Why? Right, while the price is going down. This is what I told you also in my Telegram group, which is for free. Link is down below. You see we have here bearish divergence. This is one thing. And if you're watching on the 1-hourly, guys, very important, look what we see here. On the 1-hourly, we see we forming double top, right? So one time we forming a double top, right? On the 1-hourly, we forming also on the 4-hourly a very clear double top. You see here. And not only here, also if we are watching on the daily, and this is very important, we formed also a double top, like you see, right? And we have it on 4-hourly, 1-hourly, and daily, guys. I would be very, very careful here right now. And beside this double tops on every time frame, we see here also a huge bearish divergence, which I showed you. Measure always from the upside, from the top. You see price going down while the RSI is going up. This is a huge bearish divergence. So technically, they're everything crying or shouting at us that don't be stupid. We will see a huge dump. Be very careful, guys. In my opinion, to be careful. I mean, guys, do whatever you want. Do your own research. I mean, yes, here could be maybe an opportunity of 31 to 31,100. It's 1.5%. In my opinion, this is too risky. But do what you do your own research and do whatever you want. In my opinion, it's there is a possibility for long if you break above 32,000 with the clear 1-hourly or at least 15-minute candle with the clear buying volume, right? We have to see huge buying volume. I want to see huge buying, and I want to see a huge candle breaking above 32,000. Then we can long our price targets. I told you already, below 33,000 a little bit. I would then below a little bit of 35,000, because 35,000 big psychology border, and we saw based on the past, and around 36,300. I would also here below 36,000 take profit. So 11%, 10/110%, 5/55%, right? But take along the way your profits. This is for long. So if we break above 32,000, then we can long Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, all the other altcoins. But in my opinion, guys, like I explained to you right now, that we see more bearish signs, and plus we see on Friday the CPI will present the inflation number. So be very careful. If they will be higher than expected, we'll see huge dump in the Bitcoin and stock market all around. Also, what is very bearish, guys, in the S&P 500, and the S&P 500 opened today bearish, and it was not because exactly as predicted. It was because I told you in the futures, Bitcoin futures, we saw the market dumped, and obviously we opened also with the dump. So very clear. But what is here bearish? That we are retesting so much the 4-hourly EMA ribbon. The more we are retesting, the more likely we are breaking down. This is another huge bearish sign. So everything is crying that here we have a huge bearish momentum. Be very careful, guys. I just tell you what I see on technical side. It's not a guarantee that we see dump, but it's more than probable, but it's not a guarantee. please do your own research. So when we can short, in my opinion, I would wait until we close at least 1 hourly under the 4 hourly EMA ribbon. So it would be under 30,280. So I want to see a 1 hourly clearly closing under 250, 280, clearly with the clear selling volume. I want to see clear selling volume, and I want to see here like this, a clear candle, better even like this, right? A clear candle, then we can open a short. This is in my opinion, guys. So which are here the price targets? The price targets, obviously, the previous low here, local low at 29,500, the next one at 29,000, the next one would be at 28,600, because you see here a lot of resistance and support, and at 29,600, the next one would be at 28,300. I don't show you right now, guys, because at 28,300 I showed you already, there's a lot of support. I'd want to save your time, guys. And so on, right? Then it would further go down. The next one 27,500 and so on. So at least to 28,300. So it would be 6.3%. 10x leverage 63%, 5x leverage 33%. But take profits on the way down if we break. Only if we break with the clear 1 hourly below 4 hourly EMA ribbon. It's around 3,200 approximately right now. So the first price of 29,500, the next 29,000, the next one 28,600, and then 28,300. Be very careful. This is in my opinion, guys. Please do your own research. Where we are right now trading, we are trading right now on Bybit, guys, because Bybit gave us 4,620 for free after initial deposit instead of $400. Link is down below, and you get 30 days zero maker fee. It costs you only 30 minutes registration. Link is down below, guys. So in my opinion, it is very clear. If Bitcoin will pump, I'm expecting also a huge pump in Ethereum, obviously. If we break above 32,000, I'm expecting clearly a Bitcoin, Ethereum at least at $1,900, and the next one would be around even, I would a little bit below 2,000, around 1,950. It's 7.3%, thanks to 73%, 5 to 35%, but take profits obviously at 1,900 and so on. But if we're breaking down, what is technically more likely, and therefore expecting more dump, even if we see small pump, I'm expecting more a huge dump, because technically, like I explained to you at the start, if you didn't, if you jerked while watching my videos, please watch again from the start. So I'm expecting a dump also in Ethereum to 1,750, it's 3.7%. The next level would be around 1,550, because we don't have a lot of support. It would be around 14%, 10x average 140%, 5x average 70%. Also Ethereum you can short, long, and buying on spot also on Bybit, guys, link down below. And Solana, let us quickly watch also what is happening with Solana. Solana bouncing here also like piece of shit in the toilet the whole time. So also here, guys, very clear, if Bitcoin break above 32,000, I'm expecting clearly at $43 at least. Solana, it's 10% around. 10x average 100%, 5x average 50%. If we break, take profits along the way. So first profit area of 40.5, the next one at 40.5, 42.5, and the third one 43, 44 around, right, around 44. If Bitcoin break to the downside, I'm expecting clearly also Solana dumping, because altcoins just following Bitcoin, guys. So we don't need an entry position in altcoins. In my opinion, we only need to watch Bitcoin and then watch for take profits area in altcoins. So $38 is one take profit area, and the next one $36 if Bitcoin dumps 8.6%, 10x average 86%, 5x average 43%. Take profits along the way, guys. At 37, like I told you, $38, $36.5. Take profit. Solana you can also buying through spot, long, short on Bybit, guys, with this bonus 4,620 after initial deposit and 30 days zero maker fee. Quick summary, guys, again, because I know you're watching the whole day porn or TikTok, and it's nearly the same. So again, in my opinion, very clear. I'll be clear with you. Yes, to everyone who's very professional and know how the world rules, you can make to 31,000 another long. It's around 1.6%. Too much risky, in my opinion. Please do your own research, not financial advice. In my opinion, the best thing is if you break a 1 hourly or 15-minute candle above 32,000, then we can long. Price targets, you know, from the start of the video I told you. If we break below 4 hourly EMA ribbon with the 1 hourly candle closing clearly below 30,200 approximately, we can short down first price target 29,500, second 29,000, 28,600, 28,300, and so on, right? So very clear, take profits along the way. You can do it on Bybit to everyone who is new to our community, because you get the photo 620 bonus, and I make a giveaway of everyone who's trading through my link. I make giveaway of $2,000 worth in Bitcoin. Just imagine, in 5 years, I think Bitcoin will worth at least 10x, so it's even 20,000, right? So please write me down below, what do you think? Are you short, long? What are you doing? If you have any questions, write me also down below, guys. And yes, and don't forget the Telegram group, because there I'm trying to update you along the way while I'm trying to seduce such a nice how it called, you know what I mean. So I kiss you, and I see you later. Mwah.